This is a baby nail file kit from Momcozy, and it is super sweet. And it comes with this really cute little case, and it is absolutely precious. So I'd like to thank Momcozy for sending this to me to review. You know, my daughter is 36 years old. I do have a grandson. However, you know, every time I get a Momcozy product, I'm like, I wish they had this 36 years ago because they're amazing. So again, I'd like to thank them for sending this to me to review. I love my partnership with Momcozy. I get to bless moms all the time, and I love that. So this is the different nail files. Now, I actually used it on my own nail, and I can actually use it on my skin, and it doesn't, there's nothing, it doesn't, it's really gentle. So this is super gentle. It's got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 different sandpaper different things, and then it's got an actual buffer, so you can actually buff those nails like a soft cotton buffer. And then you've got the little pokey one. That pokey one is really good for maybe like getting into the cuticles or getting around the nail, or getting like, because you know babies' nails are tiny and they're like daggers. So we really want to make sure we smooth those nails down. Otherwise, it gets dangerous. They're like flying around crazy. But yeah, this is really cute, really great. And it just charges. You just plug it in, charge it, and it's wireless. So really great. Another fabulous and amazing product from Momcozy. So once again, thank you so much.